Hey everyone, today we will show you how to add payment methods to your Shopify store. Setting up multiple payment options makes it easier for customers to complete their purchases and can help increase sales. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. Under Settings, click on Payments. Once we are here, click Add Payment so we can choose which payment methods to offer. This could be credit card payments. If we want to enable credit cards, we can do that here. We can also click Others. Here, we can choose which cards to use. If we are looking for credit cards, as you can see, there is a variety of providers to choose from. We can select one, such as debit cards or PayDollar. Just click on it once we have made our choice. Then, simply click Install as a payment method so it will be available on our Shopify store. Next, just click Confirm with Store. Here, we need to enter the merchant ID, API login, and password. Once we submit that, the PayDollar payment method will be added to our Shopify store. And that is how we add payment methods to a Shopify store. Offering different payment options can improve the checkout experience and help reach more customers.